got the photo of you. We have like the kind of story and everything, right? But I don't know you. Like people in your
Right.
town and around you, they know you. Like you said, small town. But if
Right.
I'm looking for someone, especially if you're offering virtual appointments, I don't know you.
Right.
So number one is I'm not gonna start dating you right away. I've got to kind of
Right.
court you, sniff around, get an idea.
Definitely.
Like people would look on Facebook or Instagram, get an idea first, and then
Right.
something like that. So the same kind of thing for you. Instead of assuming people are going to schedule an appointment, which is what we want, that's a primary call to action. Instead, I want you to think about a resource you could create, a
Okay.
worksheet, a checklist, a guide, and a lot of the stuff that you're getting in the emails right now from me. Look at those and see how you could turn some of your information into one of those. A
That's
worksheet would
wise.
be great,
Okay.
right? And instead of the main call to action being schedule appointment, hey, download the mommy to be worksheet, or download the new mom or postpartum worksheet or guide. Now people are joining your mailing list. Now you have the
Right.
ability to tell them the story, to
Okay.
introduce them to your services. Because according to Google, the average person is going to look at 140 information sources. So 140 points of information before they'll click on buy. For something like you and what you offer, it's going to be a heck of a lot more than 140.
Yeah.
Right? Because I need to know you know what you're doing, and I'm trusting you with like my bundle of joy. Exactly. All of that. So that's where the email is going to help. It's going to drip feed them your credentials, your background, your story, your services, delighted customers and testimonials, all of those things, so that not only are they able to look at your site, read your blog, now they can get your emails too. It's helping them get closer to booking an appointment with you. And every email you have, getting into your email strategy, is going to always mention your services. It's going to have a note from you at the top, which talks about your story, right? So, the thing here is your stories are going to become your blog posts. Your blog posts are going to contain links to your different services that they can schedule. Your emails will include a little bit of your blog post, which is your story, plus a link to read more or schedule the appointment. So now they're getting to know you, they're hearing your story. You see what I'm doing there?
I love that, because it connects everything together. And that's exactly what I'm looking to do. Like I said, I want people to get to know me before they book a service, just because that's the way I operate. And that's how I feel. That's how I feel it should be, I guess. That's the kind of business I'm trying to run, where they can actually connect with me, not just, purchase from me.
Exactly. And the other thing that I'll tell you too is, think about, so you've gone through it so many times, but think about that first time mom. What are they asking you? So like, if I go to your frequently asked questions, which I'm glad you have, by the way, I'm glad you have this page. It's a page that we tell everyone to have. So you've got 3 right now, right? Why would someone need a lactation counseling services? It's not instinctive. Okay. So you have very quick answers. Fine. Because I think you just created the page and then you're going to go back and work on it. You have tons to do.
Definitely with that fact. Yeah.
Yep. So what I want you to do is I want you to sit and list out the top 10 to 20 questions. You do not have to add all of them into your FAQ page, but I would have the top 10. I don't think I can breastfeed. Fine. Let's chat. What is the process of your service? What are the steps? First, we do this, then this. Set the expectation for them. Think about like a simple thing, like when you go into a store to go buy something, you've never been in it before. And first thing you have to do is kind of familiarize yourself and figure it out, right? How can you familiarize them with working with you? Tell them the steps. Here's exactly what we're going to do in this session.
Oh, wow.
And on that too, if, like right now, again, time is the factor, but like your in-home consultation, your virtual consultation, ideally what you want to do is have a page dedicated to each of these down the road.
Okay.
And so the page would be virtual lactation consultant or virtual lactation consultation. And again, what are the steps? Here's my story, why you should be working with me. Here are some testimonials, and here, sign up now. Easy and simple.